Hello everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me, Hema Subramanian. I've made several chicken recipes and today I'm going to share another wonderful recipe with you guys. We're going to make this delicious and flavorful chicken kosha. It's a very simple dish loaded with flavors. Let's get started and check it out. For this recipe, the first step is to marinate the chicken. I've taken about 800 grams of nice fresh chicken. I've cleaned it nicely. Now let's start adding all the ingredients for the marinade. First, add 3 tablespoons of curd. You can also use yogurt. Next, add 2 teaspoons of ginger, garlic and green chilli paste. To this, add 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon coriander powder and 2 teaspoons of mustard oil. So it's best to use mustard oil for this recipe to get that nice authentic flavor. So mix everything well. So make sure all the pieces are coated nicely with that marinade. So let this marinate for about 1 hour. Next I'm going to make a garam masala powder. To this I'm adding bay leaf, cinnamon, red chillies, green cardamom, black cardamom, mace, cloves, nutmeg and whole peppercorns. Just roast the ingredients till they are nice and aromatic. So now I'm getting a very nice aroma of all these whole spices. I'm going to turn off the stove at this point, transfer it to a plate and cool the ingredients completely. Transfer the cooled ingredients to the mixer jar and grind it to a nice fine powder. To a nice wide kadai, I am adding 4 tablespoons of mustard oil. So mustard oil will give a very nice flavor to the dish. Next I am adding 5 medium-sized onions thinly sliced. Saute the onions till they turn to a lovely golden brown color. This is going to take a while. Keep the flame on high and continue to saute. So you can see the onions have turned to a lovely golden brown color. Now I am going to transfer the marinated chicken pieces. Start mixing the pieces along with the onions. So after about 5 minutes, I am adding 2 small teaspoons of the garam masala powder. I am going to be adding the garam masala powder at different stages to make the dish all the more flavorful. Next, add quarter teaspoon of Kashmiri red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, half teaspoon salt. Since we've already added some salt while marinating the chicken, you can adjust the salt according to your taste. Just mix everything well. Now add about half cup of water, mix everything well. Close the kadai and cook for 10 minutes on medium flame. After 10 minutes, let's check on the chicken. Keeping the flame on medium. We're going to continue to cook this till all that excess moisture evaporates. Now I'm adding 1.5 teaspoons of the garam masala powder. So you can see the chicken is coming together beautifully. It's got that lovely rich brown color. So we've been cooking this for about 25 minutes now. So finally I'm finishing off by adding the garam masala. So whatever we have ground, I've added all the garam masala in different stages. Like I said, it's going to add a lot of flavor to the dish. You can see the onions have caramelized beautifully and it's coated those chicken pieces so well. So finally I'm finishing off by adding 1 tablespoon of ghee. Here is a simply delicious chicken kosha that's ready to be served. Turn off the stove and enjoy it nice and hot. I'm going to enjoy this delicious chicken kosha with some nice hot steaming basmati rice. Well, I'm pretty hungry. Oh my god, the flavors are just incredible. Seriously, the flavors are just fabulous. Divine. Well, that tasted amazing. The flavors were just spot on and you can see it's such a simple and easy dish with simple ingredients. So do give it a try, enjoy and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.